Hi, got another little learning topic here today about clutching, of course. Before we get started, I always want to talk about our belts. Make sure that if you need a belt, you get one here at Hunterworks. We personally think they're the best on the planet, so check them out. Make sure you subscribe. There's a little button down here I believe you can do. Make sure you like our videos, share them, share the information. This information today is purely information. Why do I even bring them up? I get emails and phone calls, and instead of having to type all this stuff or talk all this stuff, I'd like to make a video about it so I can just shoot it over to them. Or maybe, you never even heard of Hunterworks and this information is out there and help you out. So today's topics is clutch kits. It's a myth. Clutch kits fix clutch problems. Clutch kits don't fix any clutch problems. I suppose the only way that's even possible is if you had bad flyweights and you bought a new clutch kit to get new flyweights, then sure, I suppose that's possible. But just keep in mind, why'd your flyweights get damaged? Because you got bad rollers in your clutch damage your flyweight. So then in turn, your new clutch kit temporarily fix your problem pretty quick, you'll have it back. So clutch kits don't fix clutch problems. One of the most common one here is, hey, my vehicle's banging off a limiter at 55 miles an hour. I want to get one of those Dalton clutch kits from you. No, sir. You might want a clutch kit, might need a clutch kit, but we need to find the problem first. This is probably an everyday occurrence around here, and I would love, 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 love to sell each and every one of you, hopefully every one of you, a Dalton clutch kit. However, if anybody's dealt with Hunterworks very much knows we do not throw parts down your throat. We need to know why we're doing what we're doing. Let's do it in a correct order. Slow your roll down. Let's just figure it out. And in the end, if you need a clutch kit, then by all means, get a clutch kit, get a belt, get some tools, whatever it takes, from us. But clutch kits don't fix problems. You can't clutch kit an issue out. I also, on this note, is a guy will have a clutch kit, just bought it, and hey man, I'm banging off a limit at 55. How do I adjust this kit? Well, you don't adjust it out. That the kit ain't the issue. You got a physical clutch issue. So it goes both ways. Before you bought it, you got a problem you want to clutch kit out, or after you bought it, you want to clutch kit it out. Well, that ain't it. You have a physical clutch issue. We have videos how to troubleshoot primary clutches and secondary clutches that you need to dig into. The funny part about this is that of course we have competitors, and some of them are decent people and knowledgeable. Don't get me wrong, I'm not bad mouthing all of them out there, but several of them, I've heard that guy say, well, I called so and so. He says I add a little weight to the flyweight and it'll quit banging off the limiter. No, it's not true. If you did that, then it wouldn't run right because you had to put so dadgum much weight in a flyweight to get it to overcome whatever's wrong with it. And then it's going to be shifting out too fast and a bad performance. So biggest point I'm making is if you have clutch issues today, don't buy a kit to fix your issues. When do you buy a kit? Clutch kits by anybody should be for these reasons. Hey, I bought Can-Am, Razor, doesn't matter, came with 27-inch tires and I put 30s, or whichever the vehicle, don't matter. You put 2 or 3 inch taller tires on it, and you need to recalibrate your clutch to match what you did. With the stock clutching in there with a taller, heavier tire, it shifts out too quick. It's too low of RPM. It creates heat and low performance. Clutch kits recalibrate it, rematch it so that it's shifting out at the correct time so that you get some of that lost performance back. All right, so that, whether it be tires, you're a big dooner, you ride in the sand a lot, or you move to high elevation, or you do ride in high elevations. All of those things are a load that your stock clutch was not matched to, and then therefore the clutch kit's job is to match it for that. Another reason is these manufacturers don't always nail their clutch setup from the factory. There are several models of the Polaris. We're very new to Can-Am, so I'm not going to comment on them today, but there's several models of Polaris that Polaris did a terrible job on. You just need a clutch kit to overcome their issues. I will say this, and this is on the tail end, the only way that clutch kits fix problems is if you have a vehicle that the manufacturer has a piss poor design and it's creating problems. If you have a vehicle that they did okay on, you know, it don't fix them. So anyway, so just keep that in mind. Myth busted. Clutch kits don't fix clutch. When I say clutch, physical clutch issues, bad rollers, spider nut, spider backed off, helices broke, rollers, helices, physical clutch issues, cannot overcome them with a kit. So be warned, beware. Shoot pictures to me, Hunterworks.com. We will help you figure it out. So thank you so much. Don't forget, we sell the best belt on the planet. Get you some. Thank you.